Microsoft's Law, yun yung isa sa Murphy's Law of Computer Programming. So, sinasabi sa Microsoft Law, any program will expand to fill the available memory. So, ibig sabihin, kung may available memory ka, according to Microsoft Law, mag-expand sila para i-occupy yung available memory na yun o magamit din yung memory na yun. So, ang tendency ng Microsoft Law, mabagal yung memory mo dahil halos lahat ng RAM mo nagagamit. So, yun, na-explain na natin yung Microsoft's Law. Any program will expand to fill available memory. Yun yung tawag doon, also known as Microsoft's Law. Mabuti na pag-aralan natin yan. So, mamaya or pagkatapos nito, tsaka na natin i-vlog yung the rest of Murphy's Law of Computer Programming. So, yun lang po.